Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Motorola Edge for the Neo. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones and click on the search bars right away. Then you need to type in Send Anywhere. When you're ready, download this app from this developer on both devices and choose Open. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Motorola smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Motorola device and tap on Receive on Motorola Neo. Then tap on all of those type of dots and finally hit Send. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one photo, choose Send and finally click on Get It. Now on Motorola Neo, choose Yes I agree or No thanks. Then click on Close this window and finally we have two ways to connect those smartphones. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Motorola Neo, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing this device's camera at the code. But we can always input this key over here as well and then tap on Receive button. Now as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!